Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome to another exciting Ruffe Rides journey, where today we can finally stop getting bogged down by the content of Daniel's wedding, because it is done and dusted and mine is next. Daniel did a little ceremony after I finally hinted that I'd quite like to be his best man. I would be rather offended if it was anyone else. So he did a little ceremony in the garage. Put balloons there for me. You'd love some balloons. Ah. What does it say? Very good. What does it say? And at the time, I only thought that he was showing me the garage. So I mean, this today is a bit more obvious because I've made him come all the way to Hereford. But we're going to put in similar effort. Putting these up on the walls. And then later on today, my other 3 groomsmen are coming to Hereford to be asked as well, so that we can finally start planning the STAG. Because the funny thing is, Meg asked her girls about a year ago, and they've already got the hen booked. So the quicker I get this done, the better, and the quicker we can go to a Formula 1 race for the STAG, which obviously you guys will be coming with us for. But in the meantime, let's run the intro and get us blowing up some balloons. 2008 Astra Mark V Ford Mustang GT. Look at it. You can go to Argos and get a part for that for £7.
Everybody, the master mechanic is here.
Back into...
Yeah.
I'm alright. Here I am.
Buckle up, you're in for a rough ride.
It's true. There we have it. I hope you can read. And I've got to go and get the car washed now for another video. But hopefully, by the time we get back in an hour, Dan gets here in just over an hour because the F1's on at 11, so it's 9:45. Hopefully they'll all still be on the wall. We've arrived with 2.5 minutes to spare. Hi boys. Good morning.
There's the gas lid not starting. Yeah. Ah. No. Balloons is a thing. You didn't buy new socks, did you? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yay.
The sooner the better, so the balloons don't keep falling off the wall.
He said yes! Another pair of, I suppose I do have to wear the different ones and stuff.
You do? I couldn't find them.
Tiny.
I know, so you bought them on like Amazon or something, because I saw them at the time.
Yeah.
Those were off Shein, and I couldn't find them anywhere else. They also feel quite thin. I might have to do a test fit. For phase 2. So the lads have finally arrived, and it's time to ask the rest of my groom's party to join.
Nice.
That's going to change.
Nice. Fantastic.
No.
Ta-da.
No way.
Oh, mate,
Do I have to wear the socks on the back?
Yeah.
that is cool.
Sick, man. Oh,
Not those ones, those are mine.
Oh yeah. You have put it in front of my bag. I never even read it.
No.
Oh, those are names, yeah. Oh, mate.
Thanks very much, Phil. Appreciate that. Give us a cuddle.
Oh, cheers, bro. Thanks, man.
I mean, I assume you all say yes to doing the job.
Oh, absolutely not. Great gift set. Thank you. Oh, I like this. What's this?
There's a bottle opener.
Oh, no
So
way.
open your drink that is ready.
Oh, Cheers, man. Cheers,
Well,
No,
cheers, Will.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Is this the pre-stack?
The pre-pre.
Only got 2.
See, now I've
Only
done
got 2 strippers for me.
now I've done this bit.
The illustrate.
You can plan the stack. True dad.
Very good stacks. If you want any tips.
Harry can plan the stag. Who else is there this year? Is it Metallica?
Metallica and there's Katy Perry. Obviously not interested in that, but like,
It'll be good.
What do you mean? That's the best white girl music you can possibly listen to.
What girl music?
Oh man, tell that to the vlog.
I'll defend her whether I know I'm being filmed or not.
no.
Oh mate, that's so nice.
Is it?
Right, so now that the official part of everything is done, it's now time to. You can't leave that there. It could be like this.
Check out the dog.
It's now time to have the home stag. I guess that's what it is, and I have to do this.
Bottoms up.
Second time we've been on this now.
It's
Lefty loosey, right society.
literally what he said. There we go.
Fair play, fair play.
Oh, that's a charm.
I was hammered that.
Oh, when you doing it,
One of these bit of spewing.
That looked too easy.
Are you free later?
He's all pulled through old spot if I can, mate.
What? Yeah, that's all going in there now.
I'm gonna do that.
No, come on.
Right, hang on then. So I'd have to
Wait,
just let it just swallow.
If you're worried about it going on your t-shirt because it's your first one, maybe take the t-shirt off.
Ready?
Yeah. Much love, brother.
Inshallah.
You got to seal it. You can't have your mouth like that. You got to put your lips around it.
Got like, yeah.
We're all friends.
You're free later.
This it. Yeah, that's it. There we go.
That's better.
Got it. You just point your.
Right. That was easier than I thought.
Yeah.
You're the wildest drinker I know, and you've never done.
Wrap your lips around him, and then.
Listen, I'll show you how to do it.
There we go. That's the attitude. That's. There we go. That's it. Embrace it. There we go. Easy. Fine.
So what did I do wrong? I just had
It does come out fast. And then
Yeah.
if you don't say all
Yeah, you went like that. You had like. Yeah, you literally have your lips wrapped, make a seal.
Okay.
So it came
Yeah.
everywhere.
if you got a little air gun,
Yeah.
it just
You
comes
had
out.
a second of
Yeah,
panic,
yeah.
and you just went, I'm here now, so I'm in for the ride.
It's in the panic, but well,
You've seen it.
Do you know what's weird? It felt easier to drink it like that than it is out the bottle.
Just do like a quarter of a can, just so you can see what it's like.
No. Just wait for it to be ready, then you can pull it out.
Time for pudding.
Wait!
Is everyone?
Anything?
Well, it's a right for a minute.
Let me see.
Just raise up, just raise up, just raise up. Round and round, sound of my head, spinning round and round, so round and round, sound of my head, spinning round and round, so round and round, the sound.
I mean, that was kind of a home stag, I guess. Completed it. Feeling rough. What's the time?
10 to 1. I've got lunch with Mum and Dad.
10 to 1. Harry came and picked up his car at 8 o'clock. He's already home and has run a 10k. That man is a machine. Yeah. I can't remember if I filmed anything for the vlog last night. I don't think so.
You did.
No. Anyway, safe travels. And I'll see you next week for the trip.
Thanks for watching.
Rough Rides.